A wonderful morning, guys, as GU continues to dump this morning to the downside, and we've seen we've seen GU news come in this morning, and GU actually continue dropping further to the downside as expected. Yeah, this is a very nice perspective of the market this morning. Very nice perspective of the market this morning. We're 50% of the entire move we are expecting. So GU continue with the shorts, and then we keep waiting for more shots on GU as we had our change of character here and our break of structure, and price continue to do its thing on GU. GU looking very nice and trendy. So to the next pair we have on go EU. I'm still waiting for more shots on EU. We were not tagged in, or we weren't able to get in on Euro USD shots, but we are still waiting for opportunity to get into this trade. If we could see a little push up, then a change of character from this zone, then we can continue with the shorts. If we could see a push up, factor short shift, or change of character, maybe from the 15 minutes or 1 hour, then we can continue with the shorts on Euro USD. We were waiting for we were expecting price to push back up, maybe taking this as liquidity so that we can join the sell over here. But so unfortunately we didn't get that. Price just continued dropping from there. So that's for Euro USD. Still looking for more shots for price to take out this equal lows here. Same. Then to gold I'm still okay. DXY I'm still looking for similar stuff, as we had price take out this liquidity, and from there we've seen price continue to push up to the upside. Yeah, in the 1 hour we had a change of character, a very little change of character from here, and price from there continued pushing up higher. So I will be waiting to see price maybe take out this liquidity here, a little bit push back down, take out this liquidity here, then we can scale in for some longs if we should get a change of character from this zone, or a factor structure shift from this zone. So that's what I'm looking at for DXY. The very simple market outlook today. And same with gold. I'm actually waiting for this. I already have my buy limit on this. I'm waiting for price to tag me in so that we can see more longs on gold. I'll be expecting to see long on gold from this zone, because we have a liquidity sweep here, very obvious liquidity sweep, and we have our we've seen price reject with strong weak. So I'm expecting price to, and we have our break of structure here, and then we have our break of structure here, and then our change of character here. If we should go to the 15 minutes, you will see it more clear. Here in the 15 minutes, we see we had our change of character, our break of structure. This our break of structure here, and then this our change of character here above here. So price is looking nice for longs. So I would like to see price maybe take out this liquidity so that we can continue with the longs. Yeah, maybe push back down a little, take this as a liquidity, then the longs with them fall in place. So that's what I'm looking at from gold. This would be a very nice trade. I would prefer the stop loss be this wide to avoid stopping out on the trade. Then we'll be getting a 1:2 risk to reward. So this is not bad. So that's what I'm looking at from gold. Very simple market outlook today. Very cozy, very simple. Yeah, that's what I'm looking at from gold. You also see we've tested demand also, and price rejected the demand with strong weak. So it's a sign that this is a strong demand, and we already have our change of character, and we saw liquidity sweep also showing us that this is a strong demand. So I'm waiting for price to tag me in so that we can continue. If we don't get tagging, we'll look for another opportunity to scaling on gold buys. So let's quickly check our fundamentals. We don't have much today, but we had a GU news earlier today, which pushed the markets lower. Yeah, the news we had was we had a GU, what do they call it? GU inflation rate, yearly inflation rate. Oh, sorry, for the month of September. So that was the news that we saw that caused price to push down lower on GU. So that's that for GU, and that's that for today, guys. That's that for the fundamentals. Apart from GU high impact, we only have CAD, Canadian dollar high impact, which is a CPI, Canadian CPI today, monthly CPI. So, and other stuffs we have. So we don't have much for the fundamentals today. So let's just head straight back to the charts. The next pair will be AUD. AUD, we've seen AUD range. AUD has been ranging seriously in this zone. So we've been seeing AUD range. Yeah, you see our what do we call it? So, support and resistance here. You see our price has been respecting support and resistance very uh, strongly. So I would love to see price take out this high here so that we can target the low. That's what I just want to see on AUD. Once price takes out this high, then I will move to the 1 hour or 15 minutes and look for a change of character. Then I will short the pair till I get to this low. Yeah, that's that for AUD. Very simple market outlook today. Nothing much, nothing less. That's what I'll just be looking at for on AUD. Then to New Zealand. New Zealand also I would like to see a price, as we have seen price taking out this high. I would like to see price give us a change of character from here so that we can continue with the shorts. Yeah, once we get a change of character in the 1 hour or 15 minutes, then we know. I prefer the 1 hour, or even if possible a factor shift in the 4 hours so that we can continue with the shorts and sell all the way down here. That's that for New Zealand dollar, New Zealand USD or NU. Then US dollar CHF, I'm still looking to see price maybe push a little bit higher, because obviously we see this is demand that is still in control. Although we have this high here, which is more likely to push price lower because we've had our change of character in the 4 hour in the daily time frame. Yeah, these are daily change of character, but also I would like to see but the internal structure is still kind of pushing higher. So I would like to see price take out this high, then tap into this zone so that we can continue with it. Then give us a change of character so that we can continue with the shorts on US dollar CHF. I wouldn't be selling from this zone because of maybe I've seen the 1 hour, maybe because of I've seen the 1 hour change of character, because here we have the 1 hour change of character. Selling from here is not that much of ideal because obviously we still have uh, demand here that might probably push price higher. But if we should break below here, below this demand, then we know that price is ready to sell. Then we'll look for change of character to continue selling US dollar CHF. But if not, we'll just wait till we get to that high in the 4 hours. Till we get to this high in the 4 hours, which is this high here. Till we get to this high here before we look for shorts. That's that for US dollar CHF. That's that for US dollar CHF. So to the next pair, US dollar CAD. US dollar CAD demand still remains in control, but price is weakening. Price keep pushing a little bit lower. But though we have demand still in control here, if we should get a change of character from this zone here, then we'll know that we're ready to long the pair. But obviously now price doesn't look like it wants to give us a change of character. Price looks like it's looking to get more shots. So US dollar card, that's US dollar card. I would like to see. I'd like to see more shots because here in the daily we can see all this what do we call it, all this demand that has been in control is just kind of a bump in the road. 1 2 3 bump in the road. This is the major move here. From this to this is the major move here. Okay, no, from this, yeah, from this here to this is the major move. So what I want to see now is maybe price take out this bump in the road, give us a change of character, and we are ready to scale in for some long, just like this. So if we should get something like this, then continue with the long. If not, we might see price respecting this zone, or maybe taking this out and respecting this one. Yeah, that's still possible. So let's just watch out and see what price does. When we, whatever we are doing, we just want to see a change of character or factor structure shift. That's our confirmation to continue with the trend. So, or that's our confirmation that price is looking for a reversal. So to the next pair, US dollar JPY. US dollar JPY, we've seen price reject after taking out our 4 hours liquidity or our daily liquidity. Yes, our 4 hours liquidity. Sorry. After price took out this low, we've seen price continue to push further to the high. I was expecting price to get to this gap here, though I just found out that it's only on my chart that this gap is. So I think that's why it's not even, that's why price didn't even get to this low. So I'll be expecting price to just drop a little bit to this demand, so that we can see market structure continue with its thing. Like we can keep seeing clean market structure, then we get a drop down to this zone, then we push for that high till price takes this high. So because as you can see, price has already gotten to 50% of this entire move, of which we will like to see price to continue with a long. This is 50% of the move, and price already got to it. So price already tapped to the 50% of the move, and we've seen a liquidity sweep. So eventually we'll see price continue going high till we take this high, going up until we take this high here. So next pair, GJ, that's GBP JPY. I'm still looking out for longs on this pair. But because as you can see, we have multiple liquidity here and this high here that looks nice for price to take, and we've seen price take this liquidity out. So I would like to see price react from this zone. If we should get a change of character from this, let me drop down to the 1 hour. If we should get a change of character from this zone after price has taken this as liquidity, then we will look for more shorts, more longs on US dollar, GBP JPY. So GBP JPY. So I would like to see a change of character from here so that we can continue. If not, we'll just see price taking this out. Then taking this out. Then our next demand zone will be either here or here. So that's what I'm looking out for on GG. So all I'm just waiting for is our confirmation now, factor social shift or change of character, that price is ready to push back to the highs. If not, we'll just stay and watch price do its thing. So that's that for GG. The last but not the least, German 30. We still see price pushing further to the highs. We didn't get an opportunity to take this long. I called this long some days ago, but we didn't get the opportunity to take this long. So I'm still waiting if I can see this one more sweep so that we can continue with the high. If we should get into this zone, we see a change of character, then we will take this long, because here's our break of structure and here's our change of character for price to continue going to the highs. So that's that for the pair. That's that for today, guys. If you'd like to see more videos like this, please subscribe and hit the notification bell and leave a like on this video. Thanks, guys. Peace out.